Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 7 of the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends up at Hachette. Now, if you would like to build this iconic 1/8 scale dystopian vehicle from Mad Max films, the iconic Interceptor, follow this link all the way along there. Pop. There's a clickable version in the description just below, and you too can be building one of these beautiful Partworks. Grab it whilst you can, folks. Right, let's have a quick flick through the magazine. We're going to be doing some more assembly on the right door, so you're going to need the door section that we built previously. Okay, I've kept mine in its protective bag, so you're going to need that, and we're going to be putting on the inner panel and trim today. Nice and easy, nice, concise, simple pictures there for you to follow on all the bits and pieces that are going into this, how it all fits together, what screws you need are all highlighted in blue and the part numbers in yellow, so you can't go wrong. I would say even I can't go wrong, but yeah, you never know. So that's what we're going to be doing there, and then at the end of this stage you're going to end up with a completed door just like that. Okay, you've then got history of the Ford Falcon section there. For some reason you've got a Volkswagen Beetle there. A little bit more there about the production of the car and some of its data files. You've then got language of customization. Look how that's been chopped and dropped. I do like that, especially the patina look. I do like that. Sharp mouth approved there. And that's a belly tanker joining the race there at Daytona. I do like that. I must admit, might have to scratch build one of them in the future scale model update. This was the Ford Thunderbird, an iconic car of the 50s. You've then got the starting point there, Ford Thunderbird, and then a final model there on a more recent upgrade. I still kind of, yeah. So that's the magazine done. So let's put that to one side at the back there. Grab our parts, and we'll do a bit of assembly for you folks, okay? Right, we want this little piece here, needs to go in. So it says hold the handle in place, turn the panel 7A over and fix the handle with a PS14 screw, which we'll do now. So let's just press that in place, like so. Over it goes, and we got a PS14 screw right at the back there. Okay, so we'll pop that in place. A little bit of oil. Just our usual drop of oil on there, folks. And then we'll just pick that up, put that piece back in, and grab our screw, just like so. And send that in. Like that. Okay, nice and simple. And then use your thumb just to line it up if it needs it. It then says, take the door assembly, check that the window is fully raised, and we're going to be popping this all in, okay? So we got the little latch to go in through the hole. Make sure we put that in. Just pop that through in there, just like so. Like that. And that'll press in place. Right. We now want our door, and we're going to be fitting this in with some screws. Okay, folks? So let's just move that out of the way. And we want DS02s. Now it's telling us to wind the window fully up, folks. So do that first whilst you think of it. Fully up like so. Apparently that's very, very important. Then line this up over the top. Get it all in situ. Just want to check all the edges line up. And then we've got some screws that are very deeply recessed, and we want DS2s for them. So let's grab them. Hopefully this screwdriver will go that deep. We'll see. Pink. And we want top, middle and bottom right down here. Luckily for me, that just fits. Right. So I'll grab the next one. We'll do the same again. Little dab of oil. We're going in this one here. And then last, by no means least, this one for the bottom edge. Like so. Right down there next to my thumb. Right. So that's that now in place. And then we now want to fix this little strip in. You've got 3 little pins there. And then this will slide down in here. Like so. Okay. So that's what it's telling us. So let's get that in place. Like so. And then just roll our finger all the way along. And that fits that strip. So that's what you should end up with, folks, at the end of this issue. Is this door with the interior trim started, okay? So that's where we're going to leave this issue. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link. There's a clickable one in the description below. That'll take you to the Hachette website where you can take out a subscription for this iconic Ford Falcon. Until then, remember, if you want to help me out and help me grow my channel, just give Little Festa there a click and subscribe. So ring the bell whilst you're there, folks. That will notify you of future updates. Until then, thank you so much for keeping me company. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.